My name is Choden Amo and I'm the president of Tibetan community of Connecticut. On behalf of our community, we would like to invite everyone, Tibetans and non-Tibetans, to the 10th anniversary celebration of Tibet Fest this summer, all day from June 22nd to 25th. We will be holding this year's celebration at Goshen Fairground in Connecticut. The celebration will feature a variety of Tibetan traditional dancing, singing, and delicious Tibetan food. We will also be screening the documentaries, creating sand mandalas, and we have our very own tattoo artist thumbing us. We have so many fun activities prepared. I can't wait to see you guys over there. Thank you.
Number 2 dash dele nga sane Connecticut peri chidun chokbe choshon lopsan tashini dos shuguyo dele nga zo tini ya sera chi shuya yo di pyogi tudu ten chupa di guri shuya korla yi di gi tserang da cha shaba yi na dawa chupe tse nyusa ni ni tsanga parto yi akab dudu nga ran tsoge tanda mise gi pyogi rishon chabden la soba tini tanda ya tsonda tinde tola ya nipo yonke yi na nga ran tsoge choda kani tsoba mangpo shi tos dende shuya yo Tida nyamdola ya tanda ngana tsuki kapza da dinde tola ya nyebo yunga na ngana tsuki Tamri Arts a California ni dinde shusha ye di kabla ya tanda ngana tsuki gilengu ni shela di kantata ki dos che pedun che chigi ani di tola ya pimi mamush dos che kyabjun ani naro nas dos shuga yi ani digi soyu ki kajang di ngana tsuki ido to ni kase wochi ni kwe shagi ani namba tsu kabdu di che yu pe kyalo tuji che
namba tsu dahi Game in the Fema Dashi Seji. Sunday concert should be pretty pinda yongla, Tamdra Dashi de Shujutang. Chapji, Jimin Shada to be Tin, Nihitani Dan Hitanga Par. Adding a deck in the Tibetan Sopi, Goji War, Ni Shiring, Jundin Shi, Puchi, Dudun to Chayube. Number 2 DJ.
Hi guys, my name is Sinzi Choden. We are so excited to celebrate our 10th anniversary of Tibet Fest with you guys. There are so many activities prepared. Everyone is invited. Bring your family and friends. Can't wait to see you there. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Tenzin Ladin. This year we're hosting a Tibet Fest at the Goshen Fairground. There'll be more information later on. Everyone is invited, so bring your friends and family. There will be many activities for you guys to do there, like face painting, singing and dancing, and many other activities that the kids will enjoy. There'll be an opportunity to get to know each other and make new friends. So come join us this summer at the Tibet Fest. See you guys there.
Number 2 Josh Dele, name Tenzin Oboyin. Pechi Dedun Tene, Miri Damela Pechi Region, Mototang, Junzen Nangwala, Hachang, Pento Yobashin, Jachi Manso Nechan, Jabjurtang, Tunju Nanche Shamse Kajantang, Seranto, Kaman Penam Tube, Rewatang, Jamju Shujin. Number 2 Pechi Dudula Jeon.
Hi everyone, my name is Tenzin Dawa and we'll be having a Tibet Fest here in Connecticut. It will start on June 22nd to the 25th of June. There we would meet new friends and be able to do different activities with them, like singing, dancing, face painting and tattoos and many other things. I hope to see you guys there. Have a great day.
Shari dungje jire Juda rizhong jire Ye tang gong sho jire Ji tang cha le jire Ga tang ye ge jire Pa ye long ba jire Zambu pa chen jire Nga zo pa jire Ah